Now say a body of mass 0.5 kg travels in a straight line with velocity v equal to ax raised to power 3 by 2, where a is equal to 5 m raised to power minus 1 by 2 s raised to power minus 1. What is the work done by the net force during the displacement from x equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 meter? Here we can write m is equal to 0.5 kg, v is equal to ax raised to power 3 by 2, where the value of a is given to us. First we can take x equal to 0. So, for we can write here v initial a 0 raised to power 3 by 2 is equal to 0, because it is given x equal to 0 and velocity depends on x. So, directly I have put the value of x. We can write Vf final velocity, that is a into, that is x is equal to 2. So, it is 2 raised to power 3 by 2, that we can write a is equal to this much. So, 5 into 2 raised to power 3 by 2. Now, we have to get work done. So, we know initial velocity, final velocity. We can calculate work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, that is equal to half m Vf square minus Vi square. So, here half m is given to you 0.5 into here Vf is given to you 5 into 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 3 by 2 whole square minus 0. Now, if you solve it here, so we will be getting here, if I solve it, so work done, that means W is equal to half into 0.5 into 25 into 8. This is here square of this is 8. So, we can write here this is 4 and that is 50 joule. So, work done is here 50 joule.